Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to build this beautiful form where your customers, if you're running a pay on delivery order on your products, then you're going to be needing this form to be able to collect customers order, receive them in your email, and then make them land in your WhatsApp to submit this to confirm these orders, and then you're going to be building this beautiful form. Okay, so this is the form we're going to be using to collect the details, all the details of our customers, and then make them place the order on our website. Now to do this, let's jump into our dashboard. This is our WordPress dashboard. Of course, for you to be able to do this, you have to have access to the admin dashboard of your WordPress. So once you're on this WordPress, the next thing you want to do is to go to plugins, click on plugins. We're going to be adding a new plugin. Click on add new plugin, and you want to search for Fluent Forms. This is the form we're going to be using to build our contact form. Okay, so you want to click on install now. You have to wait for a while for the form to install, for the form builder to install. Once the form has successfully installed, so you want to click on activate the form. So the form is going to be activated. So now you have Fluent Form installed. So what you want to do next is to click on that Fluent Form. Now when you come to the Fluent Form, as you can see, everywhere is still clean. These are default forms, your subscription form and the contact form. These are just demo forms that has been added by default. So we want to create our form to receive orders for our new Watch Ultra, right? So we want to click on, what you need to do now is to click on add form, create a new form. Form has been created successfully. So guys, what I usually do when I come here, the first thing you need to do is to click on this place. You want to give a name for your form. You want to give a name to your form, right? Because you are going to be building several forms for different products if you sell different products, because it's advisable that each product should have its own form and its own sales page, right? So each product, this is how you differentiate them. For this, we are building an order form for Watch Ultra, because we've done a sales page for this Watch Ultra. So click on rename successfully. So the next part you want to do is to start editing the form. Now these are just like in our Elementor. These are the elements you're going to be using. These are all the elements you'll be using to create each section of the form. So the first thing you want to do is to click on this plus. You can add all the elements here, or you can also access them from here. All right, so the first thing you want to get from the customer is the customer's name. No, you want to get maybe if you're selling a smartwatch, just like the one we did the sales page for. So the first thing you want to get is the quantity they want, right? Select. So you go to this place. So you click on this drop down. As you can see, it is going to bring out the drop down section for you. So you click on this edit section, then this place will change. You're going to edit this thing into what you want it to be. So the name of the label is this. You don't have to, which is what you have here. So what you want to name it can be maybe select watch. All right, so here you want to tell them select. This is going to be the one on the default, and these are the options. Maybe you can tell them to select one set of smartwatch. Then you tell them the price. Here the price is 27,500. You can either add, you can show value, but just on tick, there's no point. This one solve it. So the second one is select. Maybe you want them to select 2 smartwatches, 2 sets of smartwatch Ultra. Remember the smartwatch Ultra. Let's add that to the first one. Smartwatch Ultra. So the price for the 2 sets, if they are selecting 2 sets, is going to be, of course you give them discount, 27 plus 27, maybe instead of giving them at 55,000, you can give them for like 50, maybe 25, maybe 51,000, because they are buying many. So this is just to encourage your customers to buy more. So we have just to want to add 3. What of someone that wants to buy 3 sets? They should be getting 1 for free. So all you need to do is just to click on plus icon, then it will add. So you may want to just copy what you've written here and paste it here. Then change this to, if you're buying 3 smartwatches, instead of 3, this is 3. Then the price for 3, so if you're buying 3 sets of smartwatch, it's going to be 27,500 times 3, which is going to give us 82,500, right? So but now you're going to give them 1 set for free. Get 1 set of smartwatch Ultra for free. All right, so this is the logic, because this is sales strategy. You want to make them buy more. So if you buy 1 set, you're buying it at 27,000. If you're buying 2 sets, you're getting a discount of 5,000. Then if you're buying up to 3, you're getting a whole 1 full set for free. So this is how it works. So once you're okay with this, you come down, you make it required, so that they must select one of these things before they can be able to submit this form. So after doing this, simply click on save form, and that has been saved. Okay, you can view it. Let's view it and see. Look at the form here. Just click here. You're going to see what we've done. So let's go back and continue. The next thing you want to do is to ask them the color they want. All right, so we are still going to use now multi-choice. Not before we use drop down, let's use multi-choice now, because you want to select colors. Click on this edit, then tell them to select color. Select colors. In case now this place, you can just make them select 1 color maybe, but remember, someone that wants to buy 2 will have to select 2 colors. Someone that wants to buy 3 will have to select 4 colors, because you're giving them 1 for free. So this should be 4. All right, let's add 1 more. So this one, the first color may be black. Just say black set. Then the second one may be blue set. Then the third one may be white set. The fourth one may be red set. You want to change this one to capital. The next one is going to be, you can add more if you have more colors. Maybe here is orange set. So we have all the colors. Make sure you make it required, because they need to select color before they can submit. So you click on that's been saved successfully. Now let me show you what I did. Let's go to preview. Now when they come here, they select 1. They come here, they can select just 1 color. All right, they can proceed. But if someone that wants to buy 2, you need to make sure that they can select up to 2 colors. So that's why I said you can select 1, select another color, so they have 2 colors. Now what about someone that wants to buy 3? You want to buy 3, and remember, if they buy 3, you are giving them 1 for free. So you want to make provision for these 4 colors. If the person wants 4 colors, they will select, maybe if the person wants 4 black, they must select black 4. All right, or they can just select 1 black, is their choice. Now the person will select black set, white set, black set again, orange set, and now they've exceeded. They can't select again. 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. All right, so let's still work on the form. I think something is missing. We need to make sure that they can only select 4 colors. So you come here. So guys, let's make sure that they can only select maximum of 4 colors here. Okay, so even though we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors, or even if you have 6 or 7 or 10 colors, but because we are giving them 4 maximum, you can't buy more than 4. If you buy 3, we're giving you 1, so you should be able to select just 4 colors, not more than 4 colors in any selection, whether you're buying 1 or 2. So to make that happen, we are going to come here, click on this maximum select, and make it 1, 2, 3, 4. So only 4 can be selected. Let's save the form and let's preview this form again. So this person wants to buy 3 sets, and we have to give them 4 options, because we're giving them 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So they selected 4 and they want to select again. They cannot. The color has finished. They can't see any other color to select. So this is how to do it. Okay. Alright, so let's continue. Let's fill up the form. So the next thing we want to do, collected the words we've collected. The next thing we want to do is to ask them for their name, their personal details. So to get that, we can just use this text or name field. Look at the name field. Click on the name field to add. You just want to collect their name. Click on here to edit. I think what we need is just their full name. So instead of putting last name, just remove last name. Let's collect only their full name. Change this one to full name. Alright, so that's it. So it is going to be I think this is good. Yeah, full name, save. So the next thing we want to collect is their phone number. Yeah, phone number. But here you can see that the phone number field is for pro users, if you want to buy the pro plan. But we can still use this to achieve that. We can use this text. Just use text. Come to edit the text, tell them to put their phone number. Yeah, please phone. The placeholder, just tell them what they want to do. Please fill in your phone number. Yeah, so this is just how it's going to be. Please fill in your phone number. Okay, make it compulsory because they must fill their phone number. Save. Then the next thing I want to get is their email address, or maybe an alternative number or WhatsApp number. Just put another one, or instead of that, you can delete. You can duplicate this one. Just duplicate, click on it, and change it to WhatsApp number. So we want to get their WhatsApp number, make it compulsory, save. The next thing we want to get is their address. Yeah, their email address, sorry. So email is already okay. There's nothing much to edit. Email address. Yeah, just please fill in your email address. All right, so this is good. You make it compulsory because they must fill it. Save. What else do we need? We need their address, of course. Their address. So we want to use this country. No, we want to use address, the address field. Put that, then you come here and you click on it. So you want to just change this into full address. All right, that's good. So the first thing you want to get is their state, the state where they are. So click on this one, change this address line to state, because you want them to tell you the state straight up. So here, maybe just tell them your state. Your state. All right, so make it required. Close that one. The next thing here should be let's see, the next thing here should be their city. All right, so we don't want this one goes. The city there is okay. We don't want the state, just unmark it to go. Then the next thing we want is their maybe the full address. Click on this one, change the zip code to full address. All right, so that's it. So just change this placeholder to please fill in your house address. Yeah, please fill in your house address. So that's good. Make it required because they must fill it. So the next thing and the last thing we want to do is to the country. This is country. Just let's edit that to maybe nearest bus stop. All right, because of our delivery person that's going to be going there. So you want to click on this select country, just say your bus stop. That's all. So you want to make that required as well. So that's all, guys. The form is good. So let's save, and then the last thing we want to do is any other message, just use this one. It's very simple. Or let's use text area. Use this text area. This text area is going to give you a better experience. Just message. Then you just want to ask them the placeholder should be any other instructions. Just yeah, that's all. Then the column you want to, no problem, everything here is okay. It's going to be optional. Tell them that it's optional so that even if they don't want to fill it, it's optional. Good. So this is good. Now the last thing we want to add here, save, let's save this. The last thing we want to add here is use this radio. Use this radio. So what you want to ask them here, just click on it. Ask them, are you available to receive your order maybe within 1 to 2 days? Are you available to receive your order within 1 to 2 days? So the first option should be yes. Use the big yes here. Yes, please send my order. So this is how you want to do it. Then this other side, for whatever reason they are not going to be around, they should just let you know, no, please, I won't be available. So this is going to help you filter out people. Make it compulsory. So guys, our form is complete. Let's save and preview. This is how the form is going to be. So the customer will select which package they want. They'll select the color. Now something is missing here. We didn't put a placeholder, so let's go back and put that in the color part. The placeholder should be please select color. Good. So we save, then let's go back to preview, can reload, and now it's there. So the person selects the watch, selects the color, then fill in their name, fill in everything is complete, guys. This is good. So the next thing I want to work on is this submit button. Okay, so we come back here, just go down, click on the submit button, and here you can edit submit form. You can change this to please, okay, you can change it to please place my order, or just make it simple, place my order. Good. So you want to make it default. You can make it change the green. Maybe we were using green, right? Change the color to green, then make it large. Just make it large. Yeah, good. So you can bring it to the center if you want, but just leave it in the middle. So save, guys. That's all. We are done creating this site. So the next thing you want to click on is this site integration. Remember when we started with this Ultra with the name, we renamed it, then we edited the form. Now the integration is the most important part, okay? Because you want someone that when they click on this, which page should it take it to? When someone submits the form, how do I get notifications? These are all in the integration. But before, okay, let's click on integration. So the first part of it is the form setting. Okay, here you want to a sample page. This is same page when they submit, when customers submit this form, when they click on that submit button, what should happen? Should it be on the same page? If you want them to still remain on the same page after submission, then write a text what you want them to see. Thank you for your message, we'll get in touch to you shortly. Or you, of course, you want to say thank you for your order, we are processing it, or we'll get back to you shortly, something like that. But it is not advisable to leave them on the same page after placing order. Even though it's not wrong, you can leave them on the same page. But since we are building a sales funnel and we have a sales page, so it is wise to direct them to your thank you page after they've placed an order. Alright, so but you can as well leave them on the same page and just tell them thank you for your order. Alright, just say thank you for your order. In case you don't have, if you don't have a thank you page, tell them thank you for your order. We will contact you shortly as we are working swiftly to deliver your order. Simple. So when they submit that form, this is the message they are going to get. All right, so they'll get this message if you want them to remain on the same page. But I always prefer to redirect them to a new page. So here you're going to select the page, checkout page, which page is going to be. So what we'll do is to create a new page. All right, so we are going to go to settings. We're going to create a thank you page. Okay, that's what you should do. So you go to your settings, go to your pages, just open it in another tab. When you come to paging, add new page. When you add a new page, that page is going to be thank you page. All right, so just click this one, say thank you page, or thank you for ordering. Thank you for ordering our watch Ultra. Good. So this is going to help you know that this is a thank you page for that watch Ultra order that you created a sales page for. Okay, so we're just going to save. Make sure you change the template. Template should be Canva, Elementor Canva, so that they don't get distracted. It is just going to show them only the content you want them to see on that page. So you click on publish again, and that's it. This page has been published. Remember, the URL is going to be your site URL / this page name. So it's going to be your site URL /. So when they click on that submit button, they will see this thank you page loading. All right, then they will eventually be brought here. So we go back to our form. All we have to do is just to refresh the form. After refreshing it, then we want to redirect them to that thank you page. So here you select the thank you page. Look at it, you have selected the thank you page. So when they click on that submit button, it's going to simply bring them to whatever you have on the thank you page, because you're supposed to put your maybe WhatsApp number on the thank you page. After placing an order, they will now come to the thank you page. On the thank you page, you tell them to click on the WhatsApp button to actually take them to your WhatsApp. Just tell them that they should click on this button to confirm their order, and then they will land in your WhatsApp. Then you will know that an order has been placed. You'll be able to have one-on-one discussion with the person. All right, so also you can also direct them to a different URL if you have a different URL, but this is the most appropriate, this is the most the best one to direct them to, or this one. So the next thing you want to do is to come down. Everything here is okay, just don't tamper anything here. Just go down, click on save settings. It has been saved successfully. So then the next thing we want to come down to is the email. This is important, email. So add email notification. Now when someone places an order, what should be the heading of your email? So it's something like this, maybe congratulations. This is now you, the admin, the owner, the person selling the product. You receive this email from WordPress. Congratulations, you have a new order for Watch Ultra. This is the notification that you're going to see on the heading of the email. So send to enter the email that you want to receive it. So it's going to be Mike Mavis. This could be your admin email. Okay, just put in your email where you want to receive. This is the email where you want to receive this notification. When someone places an order, WordPress will notify you in this email that an order has been placed. So you may want to put a subject. Maybe the subject can be this, or the subject can be maybe it can be this. Let's put the subject. Let's put out this subject, new order. Then here should just be new order. So you have a new order for SmartWatch. So this is how it's going to be in this message body, guys. What you have to do is to come and select this short code, add all data. All right, add all data. Click on this add all data. That's what you need. All right, so now our form has been created. As you can see, this other one is for admin notification. Okay, so I think that's it. That's all, guys. After all this setup, your form has been created. Okay, so now what you want to do is to go and plug in this form into your sales page. Remember, we created a beautiful sales page before. So this is our sales page, guys. So we'll just come down to this point. This is what we want to have, an order form like this. So you want to write order now in this section. So you put it order now. Yeah, so you want to make it bold. It has to be in the middle. Order now. So let's look. Good. So we want to put the form. Please enter your delivery details here. So that's what we want to put there. So just come here, or you can just duplicate this, bring it down, then change the text. Please fill in your delivery details. Good. So we can reduce the font of this one. I'll make it smaller a bit. Yeah, this is good now. Yeah, so now the next thing is to put the form. So we'll create a new section. This is a new section. So now to get that form that we've created, this is the form here. Just click on this, click on it once, and you have copied the code for this whole thing that we've done. All right, click on it and you have copied the code. Now go to your Elementor page, this place, this is where you're going to be putting it. Then come here on this element and search for short code. All right, or just type code. This is short code, right? This is short code. Drag, bring it here, put it in this section. So this is the short code. Come here, clean whatever is inside here and paste that thing you've copied. This is your form that you've copied. This is all that form we've built. It has been placed here, everything like this, guys. This is amazing. Okay, so when you place it here, the next thing you want to do is to click on apply. You allow it to load, and then it's going to load up and look beautiful. Everything that you've done is going to be arranged well for you. So now let's go back, let's go down and look at our form. This is it. Everything is the way you want it. Let's look at the mobile view. Look at the mobile view. They are going to just fill the form. All right, this is good. So we want to make it look like this, but we want our own to be blue since we're already using blue here. So we want to make it blue, the background. So click on this section. Everything here is, even the form itself shouldn't be on a different section even. Let's put the form, this form should be inside here. Good. So this is good now. So let's color the background. I want it to be, come to style, put the background. I want the background to be blue. All right, so I want to make it blue. Everything here is blue. Good. Everything is blue. So everything is blue, but we want just the form. We want this text to be white. Come to style, change the text to the white. Here is white. We want this one to be gray, somehow gray. So just make it like this. This is good. All right. So I want to change the topography. Just reduce the size a bit. Sorry. This is good now. Yeah. So I want this form. I want the form background to be. I want the form not to have this blue background. I want it to have white background like this to make it easy. All right. So just click on it. Go to advanced. Go to background. Click on color. Change it to white. So it's going to become white background. You can also give it some border. Maybe I'll just go to border, click on solid. You can increase the border. Just one, make it one. Then you want it to be white. Then you want to increase the radius. Let's give it a radius of 15. This is good. So we have a beautiful form. Our form is looking good. Yeah. Then we want this, we want to give some padding to this, right? So just click on this, come here, padding top. You want to give it some padding at the top, give it some space, maybe 30. 30 is good. Everything here is looking nice, guys. So I want to give this one some padding. That's the text inside. The text inside should, have some padding. So we just want to give it padding. I think this is good. Yeah, great. Guys, our form is looking nice. So yeah, this is a sales page that we've built already. I think the video how we did all these beautiful sales pages right here on this YouTube channel. So please, if you weren't with us, if you haven't watched the video on how we're able to build this, because after building your form, you have to plug it into a sales page. This is where your customer, after deciding to buy from everything you've done here, this is where they're going to make their final decision and place the order, okay, and then submit the order. Now the next video, we're going to teach you how to create a beautiful sales thank you page. When they click on this order, it will bring them to the thank you page. Okay, so but something is missing. Look at this button. When you click on the button, nothing happens. When you click on it, nothing happens. So we want them to click on this button, since we want them to place order on the site. Sorry. So what we want to do right here is to make sure that when someone clicks on this button, it takes them to another section of this same website without taking them out of the website. It just link in different sections. So what we want to achieve is that when they click this button or the other button, it should bring them right down to this sales page, this place, this order form. So what we do is to click on this place. This is where we want them to come to when they click on the form. look at this place, this CSS ID. Just type anything there. What we have there is order now, right? Order now. So copy this thing you just put here now. Copy it, copy. Then what I want to do is to copy it, then go up to the form. This is the first form. Sorry, the button. This is the first button. When they click on this button, come to this link and paste that name of that thing that you copied. This is the name. So now when they click on this link, it takes them to the form. Let's do the same thing to the second button, this one. When you click on this button now, it is not going anywhere. Click on it, it's not going anywhere. But you want it to go to that form, and that form, you just paste the name of that form. Remember the CSS ID we gave to it. Let's check it out again. This is the place we want them to come to. Anywhere, you can link anywhere at all you want to. If you want them to come here, you link it to this place, but this is where we want them to come to the form. When you click on any button in this website, in this sales page, it should bring you to this form to fill. So you come to the form, give it a name just on the CSS ID, then go back to the button. If you click on the button, it goes nowhere, but copy that name that you give to that form, paste it here. This button becomes the form. When you click on it, it takes you to the form. This is amazing, guys. So this is how to build a landing stroke sales page, and also add your form, your sales for beautiful sales form, your order form, where customers can place an order on your website. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel, and also look out for the video on how to build a sales page, how to connect this submit button to the sales page. Thank you so much. So after everything you're doing, make sure you click on update. You click on update, so it has updated. All right.